Konnichiwa and welcome. My name is Hana and I'm studying the Bachelor of Social Science Social Welfare degree at CSU. This presentation is for the subject Professional Development and presents a reflection of my personal and professional values, ethics and worldview, and those of others in the social welfare field. Reflective practice is especially important in social welfare practice as we are the representatives of the services that people have turned to for assistance. We deal with people's lives and their experience of getting support will be either positive or negative based on how we as human service professionals have welcomed and supported them. My main personal values are communication, connection, compassion, respect, giving back, honesty, equality, and reliability. Because my focus is on my place in society and getting on with others, they easily influence my professional decisions and behavior in the way that I am kind, respectful, and compassionate, work hard, and have good work ethics. Thinking deeply, I personally value communication, respect, manners, being aware of others' feelings, and harmony, just like they do in Japan. I'm not from Japan, Bosnia rather. I have lived in Australia most of my life though. But I appreciate and connect with Japanese culture. What I find challenging is when people aren't respectful and kind. I see that in the way people speak to each other in the workplace, where there is no hello but simply do this for me. Or outside the workplace, when people don't use manners and continually ask but don't give back. I believe that the problem lies in our fast-paced world where people are so busy with things to do that the importance of communication is being put to the side. An example of this is where people are sending text messages to others at inappropriate times of the day and night because of technology. The most important principles and ethics in social welfare practice that inform my professional decisions and behavior are based on the ASW Code of Ethics and Practice Standards and include social justice, human dignity and worth, service to humanity, integrity, and competence. How these principles and ethics inform my professional practice is evident in the way I treat all individuals and their lived experience with respect, dignity, compassion. In practice, I promote autonomy and empower people to make choices, as I believe most often we know what is best for ourselves and at times we just need some guidance. These main AASW principles and ethics also inform my professional practice in the way that I promote culturally safe, sensitive, and inclusive practice, which entails me to keep up with the industry requirements by expanding my knowledge and skills to make sure that I am competent in the support I am providing. When I think of the word professionalism in relation to the social welfare field, I automatically think of three parts which relate to one's responsibilities. Firstly, one's obligations to the organization they work for. Secondly, one's obligations to their clients. And thirdly, meeting your obligations as a professional in the human services field. As human services workers, working for an organization, we are not only responsible for performing the tasks in our job description, such as client assessment and referral, but also responsible for meeting organizational duties, responsibilities including following company policies and procedures, and being a respectful, approachable, and hard-working team member. Professionalism on the individual level means our behavior, actions, and responsibilities towards our clients, and includes the important practice of critical self-reflection of our own values and worldviews and the work we are doing. We also have a range of professional responsibilities that we must meet to meet the field's practice standards.